Imagine a world untouched, a symphony of nature undisturbed, where towering trees touch the sky. Crystal clear rivers flow freely. This is the allure of the wild, a testament to Earth's raw beauty. Sunlight filters through the canopy, painting patterns on the forest floor. The air is alive with the music of birdsong. Every leaf, every ripple whispers tales of resilience and life. This is a world where nature reigns supreme. Venture deeper, and the wilderness unveils its treasures. Exotic orchids bloom in vibrant hues. Agile creatures dart through the undergrowth. These are nature's masterpieces, sculpted over millennia. Listen closely, and you might hear the rustling of leaves as a tiger passes, or the trumpeting call of an elephant echoing through the valley. Each encounter is a privilege, a glimpse into a world untouched by time. These pristine landscapes are more than just beautiful vistas. They are vital organs of our planet. They regulate our climate, purify our air, and provide a haven for countless species. Their preservation is not a choice, but a necessity. As we encroach upon these wild spaces, we disrupt the delicate balance of nature. We have a responsibility to protect these last bastions of wilderness, for our sake and for generations to come. To stand in the heart of untouched nature is to feel a profound connection to something larger than ourselves. It is a humbling experience that nourishes the soul. The peace we find in these wild spaces is a precious gift. Let us cherish these untouched corners of our planet. Let their beauty inspire us. And let us strive to be better guardians of this irreplaceable heritage. The soul of the wild depends on it.